Welcome to another edition of School Spotlight on DisruptED TV. I'm your host, Joe Pizzo. It has been said that variety is the spice of life. That saying surely applies to today's featured program. At ROSEHILL Elementary School, Brandy Leggett is proud of ROSEHILL's Student Choice Days. Teachers from grades K through 6 sponsor a mini club experience 6 times a year for the students to choose. The grade levels naturally mix. Brandy says that the goal of each 1-hour experience is to build relationships and instill a love for learning. Let's travel to ROSEHILL right now for Student Choice Days.